process of the pagoda tent was recorded. Connect the beam to the three-way connector. Connect the diagonal bracing to the three-way connector. Insert the four-way connector into the diagonal bracing. Secure all connections with bolts and screws. Place the roof fabric over the jacking head. Insert the lower edge of the roof fabric into the groove of the beam. Insert the top bar into the beam groove from both ends. Rotate the handle clockwise to raise the jacking, stretching the entire roof fabric. Raise the tent frame. Insert the leg into the base plate. Install the sidewall fabric. The pagoda tent installation is now complete.